Ernazar, Akmateliev of Kyrgyzstan in the red, and Viktor Rassadin of Tajikistan in the blue. Akmateliev having once again shown what a capable wrestler he is when the chips are down. He came back from 6-1 down in his semi-final against Aoyagi. He came down from 4-1 down in his first match against Nachin Kular to win 5-4. He can close things out.
Biz ар башкабыз, бирок бизди бириктирип турган үй бүлөбүз. Үй бүлө бул жүрөктөрдү бириктирип турган эң ишенимдүү түйүн. О мобилдик операторунун үй бүлө премиум тарифы. Бул болгону 1990 сомго чексиз байланыш менен 3 сим-карта, секундасына 500 мегабитке чейинки ылдамдыктагы үйдөгү интернет жана телевидение. Бүтүндө үй бүлөңүздүн мобилдик байланышы менен үйдөгү интернетти бир айда бир эле жолу төлөңүз. Үй бүлө ар дайым биринчи орунда.
Rassadin with the first strike here. Landing that one for a 2-point takedown. Chasing Akmataliev around the mat to make sure. Good start from the man from Tajikistan.
You see that tight left hand on the inside of Rassadin. He's, it's kind of that feeler hand as he makes first contact always with that left hand, and that sets up the hand cycling that we're seeing.
Over the first round. Oh, Rassadin's caught him. No points scored. Now they are put on the board, and he'll get a takedown for 2. Seconds out from the end of the round. Rassadin doubles his money.
Duck under, hips coming in, big opportunity here. He gets the takedown inbounds.
.90 seconds on the clock remaining. But Rassadin here has come right at Akmataliev again.
Just right off the whistle. Victor just dropped right through. We get the roll through by Akmataliev. It's tied 4-4, a net exposure right now. Rassadin in a very dangerous position. So while Rassadin is in a exposed position, we won't have them be called up. Technically, he is in a pinning position. Akmatayev is looking to try to keep that weight on him. Okay, so now we're back to neutral. Looking for Akmatayev to continue to progress, continue to lift up with the hips, try to get a roll through. We come back to neutral and back up.
All that time on the floor, benefiting Akmataliev. He's ahead on criteria again, as he was in the semi-final. Rassadin's hopes under threat again. He goes for the legs. Akmataliev steps out. He keeps coming. His endeavor driving him forward.
We've seen so many fleeing the hold points, but Akmatayev does a great job of smothering him.
He's going to hold on here, Akmataliev. He has done it again. Down after the first round, on top come the end. Today, it's been his formula for success, and Kyrgyzstan got. It's thrown out.
And his
Matt B, the winner and the ASEAN